To turn your iPhone into a personal hotspot and share your T-Mobile cellular data, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Personal Hotspot. Toggle the Personal Hotspot switch to the On position. You can set a Wi-Fi password for secure connections. Connected devices will then use your iPhone's data plan. Make sure your T-Mobile plan includes hotspot data. Plans like Magenta Max offer unlimited hotspot data, though speeds may be throttled after 22 gigabytes. With iOS 18 and later, the Intelligent Hotspot feature optimizes data sharing and reduces battery drain. For new lines activated after Q1 2025 using eSIM, ensure your eSIM is correctly set up via the T-Mobile app for seamless hotspot access. If your hotspot isn't working, an APN fix might be needed. APN settings ensure proper data connectivity. Go to Settings, greater than cellular data options, greater than cellular network, greater than APN. Enter fast.tmobile.com as the APN or EPC.com for LTE. Leave username and password fields blank. Ensure cellular data is enabled and no VPN is interfering. If problems persist, restart your iPhone or reset network settings. In rural areas with weaker signals, manually setting the APN and switching to 5G only mode can improve stability. Remember to check T-Mobile's coverage map for network availability in your location.